About 2 weeks ago, several lovely ladies and I issued a container gardening challenge. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you my container garden. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, start now by hitting that subscribe button and tapping that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into it. Last year, Jessica at Measure and Mix, Lacee at Lacee Space, and Krssie at hostedbyKrssie, and myself hosted a container gardening challenge, and it turned out to be so nice. There were so many wonderful participants, and each container garden was cuter than the next one. So we decided to do it again this year, and I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So let me show you the container that I found. This is the container that I found. I actually got it thrifting. My daughter-in-law was having a garage sale, and we did a little swap. I traded her some things for this, and it was actually gold. She had painted it gold. I guess it was white in the beginning, and then she painted it gold. So I brought it home, and I had the hubby paint it white, and I wanted the wheels black. So he took care of that for me. So now all I need to do is put it together. So what I plan to do is this. I have these cocoa liners that I picked up at Joann's at one of the sales that they had, and I'm going to put those inside the little basket, kind of to use as my liner, and then I'll put my soil on top of that. For some reason, you know what, as I was looking at this, makes me think of the basket that they put Moses in when he kind of floated down the river or whatever before his mother found him. Anyway, that thought did come to my mind when I saw this little basket, but I'm digressing. So let me go ahead and get this put together. But as I said, I'm going to use these cocoa liners to line it with. I've got some Miracle-Gro potting mix that's going to go inside, and I've got several plants that I'm going to put in there, but I'm not sure what's going to go where. Let me show you the plants that I've got. These are the plants that I'm planning on using in the basket. Now this is going to be somewhat of a shade arrangement, so I'm not sure what's going to go where. So let me go ahead and get the cocoa liner in, and then I'll put the plants in. So I'll let you see me working on the cocoa liner, but I'll bring you back for the finished product with the plants. And I think the reason why it made me think of Moses in the bulrushes was when I started putting this cocoa liner in this basket. I tried it out just a little bit last night just to see if it was going to work out, and it did, and it just made me think of Moses in the bulrushes. I've got a vivid imagination. And I think I'm going to put both these in there because I want to have quite a bit of coverage here. Now I'm going to trim this off right here. Rather than trimming, I decided just to fold it down, and that worked out just fine. So you can see there where I just folded it down, and it's deep in there. And I'll adjust this one. Now let me add the soil. Now the only thing that I know that I definitely want in here is this. And I'm thinking I want it somewhere up this way, but I'm not sure. So let me fiddle around with it, and I'll come back and let you see what I do. So here's my container garden this year. It's this little basket, this little baby basket. Right here I've got some sweet potato vine curling out of it with this little false arborvitae, some sun patience right here, and then some begonias right there, and then more begonias back here. So I can't wait for it to grow up and grow out, because I can just see where the begonias will spill out there, or I should say should grow up there, and then here, and this will continue to get a little bit larger too. So it'll be nice and lush once it grows in. So I'll bring you up a little bit closer so that you can see it. But before I do that, I will link the playlist below so that you can see all the other container gardens that the other creators have done. And I will also link Jessica and Lacee and Krissie, their channels below as well. And then in case you missed last year's container garden challenge, I'll link the playlist from 2018 there as well, because like I said, they were absolutely amazing. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.